Hi, this is Tadao of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the engine RPM and mixture for the air-cooled engine used for Volkswagen Beetles or Bus or Bahabag or any classic Volkswagen vehicles. So this is my 68 Bahabag and carburetor is right here. So you have two knobs. One is this one. This knob will increase or decrease the engine RPM. It just open the throttle more. And you have another screw here. It's hard to see it, but it's right here. And this screw will adjust the mixture of the fuel when it's idle. So first you're gonna adjust this and turn on the engine, and if you have the tachometer, you can connect it, or my Bahabag has I added tachometer so I can see it. But even if you don't have a tachometer, you hear the engine running, and the increase or decrease adjust this RPM and set it when you feel comfortable in terms of the idle RPM. And then after that you decrease, you actually turn in so clockwise, and then you actually start to hear the engine getting rough, and then stop it there, and you wanna go back half turn or someone like the quarter turn. It's up to you. I usually use half turn back, and that if you want, you can repeat that process until you got the right spot. But I usually just do once, just turning this, adjust at around a little bit less than 1000 RPM ish, and I screw in, and after engine get rough, I put back half turn. That's it. Okay, first you wanna adjust that. Clockwise to increase the RPM. Now a little bit over 1000. Counterclockwise to decrease. This is about 900. So at 900, a little bit rough. So I usually set at 1000-ish. You can judge with the sound. About 1000. Then this screw. So if you increase, if you go clockwise, we're gonna regulate the air, and engine starts to go rough. So you don't wanna go there and come back with here. I usually come back about half turn back. That's it.